taking the baby.
No, wait!
She's going to be my slave when she's born. Hi, boys and girls. These two L.O.L. surprise dolls are about to open up a new friend. We have Super Baby and Diva. Let's see who's in here.
I want to open it first. Ah! No, I do. I do. Me. What is going on here? Skye, I want to open up the next toy. No, I do. Oh no. You guys, you can just take turns opening it. Okay, well then, I'm gonna open it first. No, I am. Wah. Stop it. I have an idea. Oh, let's make a game out of it. A game? That's right. Hey, Super Baby. Yeah, Skye? What's your favorite color? I like purple. And what's yours, Diva? I like blue. What's your favorite color, Skye? I like pink. So what's the game? I'll show you. Here, look at this. Whoa, that's so cool. I know. And look at this. Purple. Whoa. Pink. Neat. And blue. Oh, so pretty. I know. So whenever it lands on your favorite color, you get to open up the toy. Ooh, like the whole thing? No, just one layer. Oh, okay. Hey, but I love these colors. This should be fun. Okay, let's find out who's gonna go first. 1, 2, 3, spin! Looks like we got blue! Yay! I'm going first! Fine. Wow, there's 7 layers of surprises inside. It's gonna take a while to get through this, but I can't wait! Pull here. Oh man, I keep spitting. Tip. Oh no, I spit on the fidget spinner! Okay, let's try this again. Oh, sorry. Blech. Ooh. What's this? What's it say? A crown and a bee. That means Queen Bee. Did I get it right? I did! Look what I got, guys. Wow, cool. Whose turn is it now? We have to spin. Yay! I hope I get to go again. Ew, why is the fidget spinner all wet? I spat on it. You're gross. Ready? 1, 2, 3, spin! Purple. That means it's my turn. I love purple. Yay, Super Baby. Looks like a zipper. Whoa. This is so cool. Excited yet? Yes, I am excited! And getting closer! Aw, she's cute! Alright guys, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, spin! Blue again! Oh, I'm never gonna get to go! I'm sure you will soon, Skye. Yes! I get to open the next layer! Ooh! First, I'm gonna take this off. Feed or bathe her to reveal a surprise. Changes color, spits, tinkles, or cries. Wah! Let's find out what she does. I spit, of course. But I still get to open up some more. Pull here. Ah, there we go. No, you have to wait till the end. Aw, man. I'm sad I have to wait till the end, but this little baby is saying, almost there. All right, let's spin, quick. I want to know what's in here so bad.
Oh boy, I wonder what's in there. All right, let's spin. 1, 2, 3, spin. Oh, blue again. Diva, are you cheating?
No, but I know I've already gone twice, so I'm gonna be nice and let you go, Skye, since you haven't gone yet. Oh, and you thought of this super fun game.
Thank you so much, Diva. I'll make sure either one of you get to go next. Okay, here goes.
Oh, cooling this off. Almost there. More surprises in here. Oh. Ooh, what's in here? I guess we have to wait till the end. But it says, making my entrance. She's coming out. Kapow! Ah! Let's spin it one more time. Come on, girls.
Okay, this is the last layer. I'm so excited.
1, 2, 3, spin it. Oh, what's wrong? It's not spinning. Oh, let me try. 1, 2, 3, spin. What's wrong with this? Diva, you want to try? 1, 2, oh, it's spinning a little bit. 3, but not a lot. Ooh, I'm getting dizzy. Diva, sorry.
What's wrong, girls? Your fidget spinner isn't spinning.
No, it isn't. Could you help us?
No, I think I'll just take it for myself.
No! That's my fidget spinner! We're using it for a game!
A game? Huh. Interesting. What kind of game?
We're using it to take turns to open up their baby!
A baby? Where?
Right in this ball!
Oh, you can keep your fidget spinner. I'm taking the baby.
No, wait, come back! Oh no, you guys, what should we do? I think I know what to do. Me too! Call Paw Patrol! Oh yeah!
Don't worry. Chase, Marshall, Rubble, Rocky, and Zuma are here to help.
Yay! Go Paw Patrol!
What do you guys need?
We need our baby back!
Oh no. Who has her?
The Sea Witch! Ursula!
This sounds major. Let's get going.
Come on, guys!
Oh yay, I'm just gonna put her by the seaweed and take a little break. She's going to be my slave when she's bored. Time to open it up. Stop what you're doing, Ursula. And what's a little dog like you gonna do about it?
Watch out, Ursula!
Oh no, 2 dogs. Oh, 3. Boo.
4, 5 dogs!
Oh, that's a lot.
We're gonna get you, la 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 la! Ah! No, that's a lot of dogs! Woo, 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 woo. Help me, help me! Never! Yeah! Oh! No, pink slide! Quick, grab the baby! Ooh, whoa, she's running me over! Ah! Look, girls, I got our baby back! Yay, Skye! Yay! We can thank Paw Patrol for their help too. Yay, Paw Patrol! Yay, both of you! Okay, we gotta spin this fidget spinner. Yay! Let's go! 1, 2, 3, spin! It works again! And we got blue again. You know what, guys? I think we should all open the last layer together. Diva, that's a great idea. Oh, yay! Let's do it! Click, click. Ugh. We're getting closer. Who's in here? What baby? Whoa. Oh my goodness, there's so many. They're still packaged. We gotta open them right now. I'm dying. Wow, so many things to open. Let's do this. Let me out of here. Okay. A hat that says baby. Ooh, and it's red. A little sippy cup. Dun, dun. Awesome. Also red. Ooh, a cool sports jacket that says baby number 1. White, black, and red. And we got some cool yellow shoes. Looks like sneakers. This must be a sporty baby. Let's see her. Whoa, look at her. She is just adorable. And she's got 2 braids in her hair. Let's put her clothes on. What's up, babies? Hi, surprise. Hi, welcome to the world. I'm Super Baby. Hi, and I'm Diva. Hello. Hey, what's your name? My name is MC Swag. Oh yeah, 'cause I'm cool. I'm a cool baby. But now it's time for another surprise. Let's see if I change colors, spit, tinkle, or cry. Okay, here's my bottle. Oh, I spit patooey. Yay, we can spit too. Let's all spit. Flip, 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 flip. You guys are gross. Thank you so much, everyone, for helping us meet MC Swag today. We had a blast opening up her little box. Okay, say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, goodbye, bye-bye.
Let us know if you'd like to see more LOL surprise dolls in the comments. And if you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe or hit the like button below. Thank you so much, everyone.